Today we want to use the option that comes with Excel to view two different worksheets side by side. This is already a feature on Windows systems, and you can get access to that using this minimize or maximize function to allow you to split to any form you want, any shape you want, whether you want to vertical split, different size, 3 or 4. But Excel also have these inbuilt functions. So, let's say you have two different Excel workbook and you want to compare some information from each of the sheet. So you just have to go to View. Inside your view, you'll see Arrange All.
Click on that.
I want it to be vertical, but you can either choose tile, horizontal, vertical, or cascade. So, I want vertical. I'll just click on this vertical, click OK. So it has given me the two workbook in a vertical arrangement, so I can compare the information. I can adjust as I want. So this is an inbuilt feature inside Excel. So whether you're working on a Windows system or any other OS system, so you can always use this function inside Excel. That's it.